Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore content distribution using Buffer for SEO blog posts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start restoring content distribution using Buffer for your SEO blog posts, first, log in to your Buffer account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting buffer.com and signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the Publishing tab on the dashboard. Click on Content to start adding your blog posts. Select Add a Post to create a new entry. In the post editor, paste the URL of your blog post. Buffer will automatically fetch the title and an image from your blog. Next, write an engaging caption to encourage clicks and shares. Make sure to include relevant keywords to enhance SEO. You can customize the message for different social media platforms if desired. After completing your post, select the social media profiles where you want to distribute the content. Schedule your post by choosing an optimal time for maximum engagement. Alternatively, you can share it immediately using the Publish Now option. To reach a wider audience, consider posting multiple times at different intervals. This will help keep your content visible to followers who may have missed it the first time. Once everything is set, click on Add to Queue to save it. Keep track of your post's performance through the Analytics tab in Buffer. Monitor engagement metrics like clicks, shares, and comments. Adjust your strategy based on what content resonates best with your audience. Regularly revisit and update old blog posts to maintain their relevance. Consistent content distribution will help improve your SEO over time. By following these steps, you'll successfully restore content distribution for your blog posts using Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.